Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation video. My name is Kurnia Chandradewi and in this video, I will be sharing my reflection on my learning experience in the computational thinking course. Throughout this course, I have gained valuable insight into problem solving, logical reasoning, and algorithmic thinking. In this presentation, I will discuss the key concept I have learned, the challenge I encountered, and how this course has helped me develop essential skills for the future. I hope this reflection will provide meaningful insight into my journey and inspire others to embrace the power of computational thinking. So, let's get started. Computational Thinking course is one of the selective courses chosen by LPTK Muhammadiyah University of Malang in the first semester. Computational thinking is an approach in the learning process that has an important role in the development of computer application. On the other hand, humans have few computer abilities that are useful in solving the problem faced. Based on this connection, computational thinking is considered an important concept because humans are required to think quickly in solving problems that arise. Besides, the application of computational thinking is not only to solve problems around computers, but also can solve various problems in everyday life. Computational thinking is considered as an approach in solving problems, designing systems, and understanding human behavior by using computational concepts in computer science so that it can be implemented in subjects at all levels of education across discipline and curricula by adhering to 4 basic skills: decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, and algorithmic thinking. Learning activities are carried out through independent study or exploration, group discussion, research, and building portfolios that reflect the result of reflection on learning experience. One, what learning experience were useful and interesting? For me, useful and interesting learning experiences are in all topics. But to be more specific, for me, useful and interesting experiences are in topic 5, which discuss the integration of city in subjects. We learn to design city integration and implement it in one or several topics of a subject chosen by the participants according to the level and field they will teach or are interested in. This material was useful because we learned how to integrate city in subjects. Interestingly, we students made an action plan to integrate city and implement it in one or several topics of a subject chosen by a student according to the level and field to be taught or interested in, so that the concept that we learned before can be realized in the plans made. 2. What learning experience are useful but less interesting? A useful but less interesting experience is topic 2, which discuss city in the curriculum. This topic was very useful for me because I was able to learn the positive and position and role of city in the Indonesian curriculum. However, because this topic discusses how city in the curriculum is a very important topic to be studied more deeply, there needs to be more specific material and practice so that the topic can be more interesting. 3. What learning experience were interesting but not useful? I think every topic in computational thinking provides an interesting and useful learning experience for me as a profession for me to become a teacher later. 4. What learning experience are not interesting and not useful in the context of being a prospective teacher? In this computational thinking course, there are no learning experiences that are not interesting and useful in the context of being a prospective teacher, because both the material, assignment, and learning activities are very interesting and useful for me. So, the things I learned in the course added to my insight and ability to understand computational thinking, which will be useful for me when I teach later.
Thank you for your attention. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.